Wala busuya for good morning. Ya chia obi bia de ba AB99 TV so ha eyo fie. Me pa cho channel so say wo hwe video wo TikTok, YouTube. Baby a wo hwe video bia na sa wonya subscribe to ya channel ni wo YouTube so me pa cho ahohare so no ko YouTube, ko YouTube a ko search abo AB99 TV. Ya channel ni be pop up a no subscribe to AB99 TV. Ya da ma se mo support ye na mo push ye say yen ko yani. Achieve for yen saying break cry Emirates interesting matches and the bam in the Champions League. You copy mu ewo Arsenal fi the Emirates Stadium. Omone Olympiacos Arsenal Mikel Arteta ne guys ne Olympiacos and a boss so before say Arsenal omone Olympiacos game na Barcelona Olympiacos previously no mako Emirates Stadium omako 4 times the last 4 times ano mako ho bia no muntimi nye the engine kuku wo honom na history back omu yepa in this game anytime bi on beko ho bia so ma win game na omo draw no ma sande akopie mo Greece mamu ba no Arteta ne mrantie no say omote the story and na ewo ho no ntumutimi e breaki the jinsa omochi Olympiacos etwa omo eka mienu a omo ntimi anya dey ansimo at the bracket goes from Gabriel Martinelli and Bukayo Saka and the Eboa Arsenal moment winning game by 2-1 in the Champions League to say Arsenal common almost 6 points. Samson so any could PM so ewo Belgium Maimua Newcastle any Junior St. Geliosis so a match in the course. So this match one of the matches and I interest woman ye point me abotre if she game me denti na me interest wo ye pa wo hwe Union St. Geliosis ni coach in the system a obo similar to Manchester United de no nti me hwe coach bi a obo 3 back dia na me pese me kohwe de wi a omo si ye omo normal na me dia be compare Amorim de ni normal Amorim onye ni ye Union St. Geliosis last weekend first Champions League match na course no oni Union St. Geliosis any PSV Eindhoven any si akan wo Netherlands man mu betting sites ni nyina Emma PSV Eindhoven lower odds because na match no bibia ebo mu nyina all football pundits and analysis obia ni ho ana obe ka say Union Saints ebekọ PSV omufie akwakọ hye omo aka miensa emo timu baako but we etimi eba mu Union St. Geliosis with their 3 back, their 5 midfield and 2 attackers. It me the call Netherlands memu winning game by 3-1 by Belgium. Until we have game no after say game the call you know. You most of the things are na war game no man very interesting. Union St. Geliosis their form in the Belgium league this season. Matches now more board. They are winning all their matches. Either they will draw, they win. Both home and away, you know, more winning. Only decline on the league table. Then Newcastle so after saying the first league match only Barcelona and the boy England Newcastle na fie Emma Marcus Rashford ebetete omo hye omo 2 goals man Newcastle team back only Liverpool Arsenal game no so course so at the die embers of the game Arsenal ebe win game ni mane koye 2-1 na ye hwe their performance Newcastle team a so omo no wusi akan a the omo bobo ni bi ye pa etimi bobo ni ye na Union St. Geliosis omo so team a very direct team e ka say director omo team no omo waste time of what constructing so many passes omo create channels they don't create channels they don't create rectangles omo here overload omo here quick transition team when they get the ball the 3 defenders one of the midfielder eba be receive ball no man den omo abobo no wins wakakra when they get a pocket space no man den abobo na tumama one of their fullbacks afa ho aba be cross ball no into the box of the opponent then there'll be either a midfielder or a striker to connect it. They have because they already have 2 strikers waiting in the box for them. There are 4 midfielders, and when they get the ball, there are 5 midfielders. Omunya ball now 3 of the midfielders. Ejina the center circle honma omu operate air ball no air try say omu find pocket spaces no more put in passes. So no more defending so they defend with 5 midfielders no more 3 backs and so I then our honmu freely omu can say all the drop balls, the second balls, they will pick it and send the ball back. Sisano mobile. Junior, who said Newcastle because of enjoy play in that game. Who can say who enjoy play? Union Saints, no, Ombe gets you with quick transitions, no much ago. Newcastle, and one say surprisingly, they almost want to yes, Omoko jai possession Edema Union Saints. In the first half, Union Saints, Omo Bobo ni bi pan. So still, Newcastle through their striker, Omoko found free Germany. Nick Votamid maybe can once more. Do na can say Nick Votamid ni signing a panic buy. We sika Newcastle for the Cotono over 85 million euros no the Cotono. Now do na say Newcastle over 90. Yeah, it was even 90. Over 94 no the Cotono. People were saying say it was a panic buy because omoko Benjamin Sesko who ana mo pesa mo tono. Now it was between Benjamin Sesko, Newcastle and Manchester United. Later, Benjamin Sesko epike Manchester, eja Newcastle. Though say na Newcastle for a normal omode man sika obekwa kwaji ho ni agent na was reaching Manchester, but to choose Manchester eja Newcastle. After no, we call Nick Votamid eco fan. They don't say panic buy because Oman Lucy the race for new Benjamin Sesko. But Nick Votamid since say omoko fan na obaye ongu ni ho anim ase. The first game we see a kind in the EPL or go. I say when you 2 goals in the EPL, and 1 goal in the Champions League. This guy, he can't stop scoring. Ocean Newcastle through Anthony Elanga and Anthony Gordon. So Omonia boss now. This is what they did in the Union Saint game. They leave Omo jai possession the Mamo. Momo ball no Omonia ball through Sandro Tonali, Bruno Guimaraes. Omo feed this Omo feed Omo wingers no. Then the wingers they cross the ball into the box, the 18-yard box of Union Saint. No manya obi amana connect. And we yes amane resource 2 penalties. Emma Anthony Gordon eko gina nchire ball ni nyina ehye. Ansa na Harvey Barnes nso e de ba ko beka homa Newcastle e won game by 4 goals. Sanso nso e eko pie mu nso wo Italy Napoli ne Sporting Lisbon game no. Before say game we eba be koso. Na ni padodo na eyam ehye omo de Napoli because okay Sporting Lisbon omo kita one of the sharp attackers ewo this competition. Omo attack ne very sharp. Na Napoli so omo defense no most of their defenders na pra omo call Manchester City Etihad and so defender na waka so ekonya red card, so he was suspended in this game. So that defender back omo pair no e man ko ball the AC Milan game omo use 2-1 no that defender no so no more register no in the Champions League no ntimi nsi akan. So Antonio Conte have to marshal things and onya obi e de be partner onya 2 back mom gina defense wo mom tini oye nyina yenim say this game there though Napoli is going to score a goal but Sporting Lisbon so be hye nti wan hwe ya na normal asan giagu ama Napoli biem but Conte omo bo omo homodi etimi chi Sporting etomo e community through the good old Kevin De Bruyne etimi assist Manchester United boy omuyi ni to ho say onya de e de kofa Benjamin Sesko by Rasmus Holland e man she 2 goals in the Champions. Mokaya last time Manchester eko pie mo Champions League omo top scorer na the same guy Rasmus Holland ono na nya de o share 5 goals and Manchester di free mo. This time so waka back into the Champions League so the first game the second game was about 2 goals e wo mbiem e ma Napoli e de ayede awani game no. Rasmus after the game o say afeni wati ase de ntia na Haaland share more goals. Haaland anya many goals because Kevin De Bruyne, he is the king of assists. He is the king of assists. Any space bia obeja no line breaking passes. Passes are buffer defender, chini defender ni. A striker run it through koshe. He is the king of that. Incisive passes. What me as I say, Rasmus emanishe 2 goals. Ewom Napoli win game by 2 goals to 1. Je kopie mu Monaco nso so a France League, the famous league, and one some esi won say Manchester City, Guardiola wetting men, Ryan Cherki, Rodri, Bernardo Silva, Phil Foden, Erling Haaland, Ruben Dias, mu nyina esi akan ni bi. And so still Napoli through Eric Dyer penalty, let me boy Emma Monaco then draw game ni 2-2 with Manchester City. In the first half no Man City edikan share Monaco ebetie. And a Man City san be share BM through Erling Haaland about 2 goals in that game. Was san share BM first half ended by 2 goals to 1. So second half ni him say Manchester ba be share bia kan. Manchester City ba be share bia kan mo manya more goals in the game. But the break game ni e ba be heavy no. Omo foul Eric Dyer in the box e mo win penalty man san ko gina chiri e ball no man. Most investors omakoma atiye in that game because a lot of people thought say Manchester City e ko win game because so we kaya first league in the Champions League, Monaco echo Club Brugge efie e wo Belgium. Omo ko gi 4 goals. Club Brugge chi Monaco chi omo 4-1. Ntina dodo na nim say it's an easy game for Manchester City because if Club Brugge is able to beat Monaco 4 goals to 1 at their own backyard, Then Man City with all the stars that they are having facing Monaco, and found baby and a game because no Monaco. But game Nicoya and Monaco also prove say after say lose game, they are not going to sit there to lose the second one again. And when we draw game, no, then you have 1 point in the game. Guardiola, he is much disappointed, but Sanet here, ye koko PM ewo the Emirates Stadium. A Honson so Arsenal game and Olympiacos game no and 2-1. You free one ye ko PM ewo Karabakh. Firstly, Karabakh eche Benfica etwa no eka miensa mo mutimu mien ema Benfica nam so kra de pamo wo mu coach. When so team a efa ni Copenhagen eko PM wo Karabakh fie ma Karabakh asan che na boni biem. Ghanaian international, if I know Emmanuel Ade, Osina kind of he's the first Ghanaian international this season champions what match first goal. Go game ended na Karabakh for winning by 2-0. The big game of the day, Barcelona, any PSG Nepal, so Dortmund, any Atletico Bilbao match. This match, it was an easy pick for every football pundit. Because nobody say Bilbao form no, they are going to lose this game. Okay. Dortmund, more against Juventus, call Juventus here and Juve. Ecobo 4-4. Omudi can share my Juve ever titi can money 4-4. Now share Howard Omuti go now they compare Atletico Madrid this season their form in the La Liga. And then their form in their first game ever champion Arsenal ko Mufi Eko Chao mo Ekaminu. Now there is no way they are going to get a point in this game. So it was an easy pick for all football fans. In the game new year, Dortmund echi omu chamo ekanai. Sani Ekopiem Juventus and Villarreal game ni Spain. This one was one of the trickiest and difficult game na ubet me predicted because it wasn't straight, it wasn't clear. But maybe Juve because of my boy Kenan hear this more no mujina game. Some say then Juventus ever share a goal in this game. Villarreal though is difficult to beat them, but still Juventus me then share goal. Villarreal you can share in the first half. Juventus came back in the second half. Share a second goal. 2-1. Game ni eba beko awie no. Na Villarreal equalize 2-2. Ma game ni ended in a draw. Cody Bonia this year for Nicolas Pepe and a winning man of the match in that game. That guy, after say he moved from Lille to Arsenal and PM of Villarreal, he has proven say he's one of the good wingers this in the La Liga upon whom the Piper since we move to Villarreal. Nicolas Pepe and winning man of the match in the game because of the performance of the man. Young PM the last pick of the day. PSG and Barcelona game. Before this game, every football pundit, including myself, say Barcelona is going to win this game. Why are we saying that? This game was the game and will be but yeah, getting close to the game. Now the beauty of the game. Why? Because most of the PSG players, 5 out of 11 players almost started the Champions League final. Inter Milan winning by 5. Now they were not available. Even Enra Nina and Opani news say Vitinha, Joao Neves, they are not going to more game nibi. But game never started who say Vitinha then what tournament have a game anymore. So a game of 4-3-3 formation and Umunina day ubia Barcelona ebo 4-2-3-1 system. The two midfielders in here, Frankie de Jong, Pedri, no do Mujina on. Then Omanim, Odi Dani Omo, Eko Jina, Omanim was striker Nechi. Then Ferran Torres, Ena, Obo Yamila Mani Marcus Rashford, Ewo Honum. Actually, also onya Martinez, Gerard Martinez, no benya Kunde, Ewo the others, and no benya ni 2 midfield, Pau Kubasi ni Eric Garcia, and completely Barcelona for 11 no. Then Sajini Edda go mudi mabasa. Oko PSG nso afa muswa. Why wanna know best at PSG? Because the players are yenim omapra. Center pen it was McQueen's last season any William Pacho. This game na McQueen's appear. He wasn't available. But Zabani omoko fa ni free Dortmund. It me partner William Pacho emomo bo game ye emma Barcelona for anya ahaban kra until this game. Oko he ni 2 fullbacks na. These guys they are too intelligent. They are too good. Before the game, Ashraf Hakimi press conference. We be saying about Lamine Yamal. I say, yeah, Lamine Yamal but young Fancy had himself. He is coming to face the best left back in the system. We are seeing our best left back. Ashraf Hakimi can say Ashraf Hakimi or can say Yami Lama is coming to meet the best left back in the game. Yes, I know kind. And Panson, so Nuno Mendes actually the reason why I the best left back in the game. In the game, or yeah, Yami Lama who look at ball and go by. Yami Lama when the ball and come dispose. Dispose say no far ball. So baby or run it to lay that incisive line breaking pass at the man Mayulu. Look at sequence to the goal, the build up to the goal. Where was Mayulu? Luis Enrique, the strikerless system now Obon, it makes things difficult to mark PSG striker. Why not you come marking? If you are going to follow Mayilu so air draggy defender the bomb, one or draggy defender near the bar. There is a space air that on ma. Either Hakimi na one of either Mayulu neighbor. Let's take it this way. Nuno Mendes is approaching you with the ball. The striker is also a meeting. The striker is also a meeting at the pass or bag. He is not coming to on Makra Mejibo or be making a touch keke. Or Chunwaba, near Bobo Naba, nor the Naya de attach bone, or Tachato, either so touch to Vitina one as or touchy, ama, sad defender now, the ball bana. Nechi, defender now didn't chiban. What creating a space at the Honoma, your Bobo Nituma. Either the winger, from and I say Hakimi Ebefa line so. Or faster space in no more aqua show. Sana mo bono Dembele mu nyina sana mo ye dey o mo ye di team. The same thing happen here. Hwe baby a Nuno Mendes fa ball ni free na o dey ba. As intelligent and good as he is, no, he knew say Frankie De Jong can found anya yellow card. Pedri is also on yellow card. Into the ball ko fa o manim. These two guys will be anyone will beat me the afan o found a red card. Game na fe ni about 38 minutes. Ya lead or the ball ni ko. So she go nkwa 1-1. Game na babe equal obi a bit man, so let me leave him and let him go. So man who deep players na time so mu nyina di na chuma ntima fa no won fa am it was a red card obenya red card nke bit me kwama Barca asho mu bebre ye nkai I think the last 2 seasons ago in the Champions League sir Barcelona di red card against PSG mu wie na game na 4 di no obi anim obi am pese obefa an e mo mo ja na ye den akọ share goal no Ashraf Hakimi so fa bi on the right side sir. And on the ball, run it to the equally passes. Where look at the strikerless system. PSG ade bi omu you. The game is omu ba. Say ball echo omu right side of the pitcher. Honum no. They have four players omu ba be dey. E ba be create a rectangle shape. No ma ball and drag it players at their back. When they drag the players, then Vitinha lay a pass. And I say, only pass can umba be creating an overload. Umba benya a ghost shadow in the game. Who will come in to create the ghost shadow? Say Dembele and a ball as the striker on the ball as the arrowhead. And since Dembele on a striker and own Gina boxing, he is coming. He coming or be dropping every boxing. No about 18-year boxing or be creating a ghost shadow. When he is coming, he is bringing a defender or the defender beba. Or bano, you are having 2 players on babe rally to baby o free bano. One is born ewo right side wonu. Baako with me across America near Ashraf Hakimi. Say Kvaratskhelia ne den anima. Kvaratskhelia on the big kitabon. Hakimi beja ball na ma Kvaratskhelia. Dembele is coming to receive a pass. Wakin defender boom. Hakimi eba be de ebe ye overlap. That defender na right back na ojina sa baby amu boss amu shape no create shape no. Ye omu create overload one so. Kvaratskhelia ebe rani. Then Hakimi afa ho. So you the defender no, who are you going to mark? Difficult to mark because who nipa o fa no. 2 or 3 players there, they are all running at you. Who are you stopping? To any bounce no more create overload, no more ball not to space, pocket space near that honum, and that way chino. Mobile to honoma, Ashraf Hakimi, Wakofa honum, no lay either so be a cutback or be boa banetti. Honum ne be meaty, Dembele wo or be go. A bian or bo at 2 Barcelona defenders nechi. It was a high line. And a quick transition on your ball or far ball no dear the error need through. Dear Nuno Mendes here Libya, no could create that carpet pass. At 2 between Barcelona keeper and him, any defenders nechi. What you can't do anything to the ball. I just a striker now Bob on Wasano or Barcelona, and yes, I dare go. Clean go no the winning here the game no. So rectangle shape is to have in the game. when they are playing the 4-3-3 no, Vitinha and City at the base of the midfield. He received the ball and drive the ball. Ball yenko ha. So some be ball shape na. Vitinha na obe receive ball and can shape ni ho. Striker na ball the first number 9 nso can shape ni ho. So they have these 4 players omo ball wo honum and omo 2. Nso so omo wo a line ye ball wa na wo ba na ye yi ball na mo. Ya drag him awie ye yi mamwa they are going. Omo kokok hyew. Idi Hansi Flick de wantimi anye ho hwe. Ne tactics no ni 4-2-3-1 system na oboye no. No, it's a good system abasa aba highline but na spaces at the Barcelona chiro ho too much. The highline spaces da ho. You don't play this system against PSG. Highline that be over 2 intelligent fullback. Against Rashford, against Jamila, man. There is no way Nuno Mendes ni Hakimi ombeko money adjust spaces at Tohamo say these guys omuma may use because these players they feed on spaces. Rashford money space the other bay yon, Lamina money space the other bay yon. So always be able to they are there. Umutina ho omo money man na ya bra when say no kwa mi kwe de e kwa ko create bibi purposeful ashego e de ayeden amano. Nti PSG Memmo Luis Enrique Abaso, my favorite ko yomo na Abaso. Obo ne ho modin ye pa because game we dey no be anim so be lose because the players ni nyina prepare. The starting 11 no they start against Inter no. Move 5 na no mapra. The first line of attack ni nyina off. Desire Doué, Dembele, Kvaratskhelia they were off. The 2 midfielders will be up can once me ball Abaso last season. João Neves Vitinha. João Neves no on kan ho. Marquinhos ni William Pachu na no mo ball. Marquinhos no so dey apira. And so still PSG with their coach, tactician, it me masha no mako share basa. Masa, ye mo abaso mo bi, o ma ya de pa ye. Atiefo yedamase awia, ye besan hia biem. Enra ye gya no ma omo di achi, omo follow ye omo ba ediem de gya no ma kakra to ho. E ma ne fa. Tuesday the same thing Tuesday na matches ni mu da ho ba Liverpool e disappoint here because AB Sports yan kose Liverpool e ko win because we know Liverpool record against Galatasaray. Garafo fee, it was very difficult some winning. But Liverpool with the likes of Mo Salah, Hugo Ekitike, Alexander Isak, this is in Liverpool all their matches on Mabuni match. We need him say Anya Liverpool best go. So Sanya we pick 0.5 Liverpool. So still Liverpool say normal. But Manchester City, yeah, near him say Monaco fee, it will be difficult for them. So we didn't pick Manchester City to win. Though say na Monaco akọ Belgium Emma Club Brugge akọ mo 4 still you say no omo ntena ho biem so we pick a different or so FI long bet in edem no ade no so ye den FI amount for fa nti awia follow ye na make sure say anytime bia we keep your phone updated ye de beto ho amount e be fa Crystal Palace Oliver Glasson and boys bebo Fiorentina mu nyina e wo matches AZ Akema mu nyina e wo matches Pawoke amo Griezmann mu nyina e wo matches ne AEK Athens mu nyina e wo hono ma o mbesi akan ene both the Conference League and the Europa League ye be make sure say e be san de kakra to table ni so amon ye da mase hwese wo be subscribe to AB Sports e wo YouTube AB99 Sports wo YouTube ko YouTube na ko search bo AB99 TV eba subscribe na support the move na ye da mase ne de bia how am push ye say yenko ye ni comments no so ye ni je ho pa ye da mase be san share